This is London, our second event. Give a bit of an introduction for this morning, walk you through how this day is going to go. We started this education event earlier this year because we wanted to take an opportunity to bring a very local, collaborative approach to hands-on skills development.
People are very excited to learn. It's a very good atmosphere. Everyone's very engaged, asking questions. I'm really liking it.
WoundWISE, this is wonderful. It just helps us, again, as frontline individuals to be able to be current in our practice, to provide the best opportunity for our patients.
What surprised me most about today's event was how interactive it is. I've never been to a place, I've been to a lot of conferences that just provide that theory, but putting the hands on is really surprising.